to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian and today we are going to learn how to draw Peppa Pig the Transformer. That's right, we're going to do something a little different today, and we're going to draw Peppa Pig as a transformer. So, grab your pencils, pens, markers, paints, whatever you like as long as your parents say it's okay, or as long as you say it's okay because you're a parent. And let's get drawing. So you could do pencil, and then if you'd like to later go over it with marker, then that's the safe way to do it. But there is no messing up in art, of course, like I said before, unless you're doing commission. So pick up your utensil and let's do this. So this is one of my favorite drawings so far. I really love the detail in this, and I think you're going to as well. I've got a trivia fact for you real quick, so let's go ahead and ask you a trivia question. So this one's pretty simple. Peppa Pig is popular in a lot of different places, including the United States, and it is also, I guess, very big on Facebook. So, Peppa Pig has more than how many global fans on Facebook? If you'd like to know, the number is staggering. If you'd like to know how many Peppa Pig fans there are on Facebook, I will tell you at the end of this video. So stay tuned. And also, since we're on the subject, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And more videos are sure to follow. I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy doing this. The last Peppa Pig drawing we did, I think he was dressed as a knight. And we had said some facts about Peppa Pig, and the fact on that video was that in Australia they actually banned an episode of Peppa Pig. You'd say, why? Why did they ban an episode? Well, it was because they were saying don't be afraid of spiders, and of course in Australia the spiders are deadly. One bite could kill you and children, and so they got scared and they said, hey, we probably shouldn't do this. We should make sure that we ban this episode so that kids are afraid of spiders. So here, you know, if you're in some city or something, maybe it would be a good idea. But in Australia, they have a lot of deadly things. So that was a fun fact there. Did you know that Peppa Pig, a show based in the United Kingdom, made its US debut in 2011? My son has loved Peppa Pig since he was a little baby. He is now 7 years old, so that's kind of cool. The first episode to air was named Muddy Puddles. And if you remember Peppa Pig and Muddy Puddles, it was a really good episode, and it was pretty fun. Did you know that the Peppa Pig live show sold out on Long Island? So Peppa Pig is more famous than I am, which is kind of crazy, right? I mean, I'm not famous at all. I'm just saying, like, Peppa Pig the cartoon is extremely famous, and it's crazy. I think it's awesome. I love Peppa Pig. You can see me sneaking a peek here and there when my son watches Peppa Pig. I also do because I enjoy it. Okay, I know I said it. I'm out right now, and I'm telling all you that. Hopefully you don't judge me. I love cartoons. I have since I was a kid, and anything good that's on, I love it. I will tell you, I don't like Caillou so much. I don't hate it or anything, I just don't like Caillou a lot. One time I fell asleep when Caillou was playing, and I had a really bad headache when I woke up, and I was like, no, no more Caillou. But maybe you do like Caillou. Let me know in the comments. Do you like Caillou? Are you mad that I said that? I'm sorry, I know. Everybody's got those things that they dislike and things that they like. Caillou happens to be one of those things that's meh for me. Anybody else out there feel like that as well? Look at that rocket arm that Peppa Pig has. I love it. I love the rocket arm. Gotta make pew pew sounds when you are drawing rockets and bullets and anything like that. This is gonna be amazing. We're gonna have so many little details in this drawing, and it's not gonna take long at all. We're almost done right now, actually. So just a couple things more. And when you color this in, spend lots of time coloring it in because it is going to be a lot of fun. So make sure if you're a little bit more advanced out there, you put some shadows in there. That's what really makes these things pop, is outlines and shadows. So here's a good question for you. Who's your favorite robot? Would you say your favorite robot is Data from Star Trek, The Next Generation? Is it Terminator? Is it, what's her name, that Jetsons robot? Oh, what's her name? Let me know in the comments, because I completely forgot her name, but is it her? Maybe it's going to be this Peppa Pig robot transformer. Or is it one of the Transformers, the original Transformers, that has inspired this video? I like the Transformers videos. If you do like the Transformer videos, I just want to let you know that we have a couple out there that we have drawn Transformers. We've drawn many, many different things. So, no matter your age, no matter your drawing level, take a look at our other videos. Peppa Pig is a top-rated show. For kids, of course, age 2 to 5 on Nick Jr., one of the top-rated shows. But I'm gonna answer our trivia question. So what I asked is, basically I said Peppa Pig is very popular on Facebook. And we all know, very famous with 2 to 5-year-olds. How many followers does Peppa Pig have globally on Facebook? Well, the answer to that is a staggering 2.6 million with an M people. So 2.6 million people follow the Facebook page alone of Peppa Pig. And you know what? When I get off here, I am obviously not sponsored by the team at Peppa Pig, but I'm gonna go follow that Facebook page and see what it's all about, see what the rave is all about. Look at all the nuts and bolts and the rocket and the pig on top of Peppa Pig. As well as another little piggy at the bottom. I love the snorting in Peppa Pig. Do you guys, if you've ever seen Peppa Pig, Daddy Pig and all them, they snort and I love it. I think it's an awesome addition to the show. So what are you gonna draw in the background this time? I always say to draw something. Oh, you guys should draw maybe a robot army in the back. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know. Put some mountains in there, maybe just some simple stuff, a house. Let's go ahead and color this in. There we go. Of course, pink, red, all those good colors are going to be following the theme. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.